If you want to add a signature in Outlook, here's how you can do it step by step. First, open Outlook and make sure you sign into your account. Then, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen to open your settings. Now, under Your Accounts, click on Signatures. Here, you will see a new page pop up with two sections. The first one says Edit Signature Name and the second one has a blank space. If you try to type in the blank space without naming your signature first, Outlook will show an error saying Please enter a signature name. So, here's what you need to do. In the first section, type a name for your signature like Work, Personal, or Default Signature. Then, click on Save. After that, the second section will be editable, and here you can type your actual signature like your name, contact information, or anything you want to appear at the end of your emails. And once you're done, click on Save Again, and that's all. Your new signature is ready to use in Outlook. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.